Right. Next is okay. I think hopefully you have checked the consistency, and yes, 3 are missing now. Maybe they are still checking the consistency. Amata consistency පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩිපුර check කරන්න ගියත් දන්නේ නැහැ. ඔන්න ගුටියක් කාලා ඇවිල්ලා නැද්ද කොහෙද? 3 are missing. They are checking the consistency again. Okay. Let's see. Consistency means anyway, answer should be always the same. But people will never do that. People are not consistent, right? But computers, those are not like that. Computers give consistent answers. When you give the same input, it will produce the same output always. Then, so it has 3 more features. That is the storage capacity. Storage capacity, it has high storage capacity. It can remember many things. I don't know whether you heard of information produced within a single day cannot be actually, those information cannot be learned by a person within lifetime. That is the rate now. ඒ කියන්නේ එක දිනකට අලුතෙන් එන information, අලුතෙන් එන storage එකට එන information internet එකේ එක මිනිස්සෙකුට ජීවිත කාලෙම ඉගෙන ගන්න බැහැලු. එක day එකක information. So think about how giant this space is. Storage capacity is really high. So it can store unlimited information, which you will never be able to refer and learn these things. So if you have a library, yes, you are rich. You are really rich. But if you have a computer, you are even more rich. Why? So it has unlimited storage capacity. So you can increase this in unlimited way. If you don't have hard disk, so you can buy network storage. Hard disk එකේ ඉඩ නැත්තම් අපිට ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකෙන් ගන්න පුළුවන් තව ඉඩ. Google එකේ ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම අපිට ඕනනම් ඉඩ දැන් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඕනම තැනකදී අපි ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කනෙක්ට් වෙලා ඉඳිද්දි. So ඉඩ අපේ කම්පියුටර් එකේ නැති වුණා කියලා අපිට බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. අපිට ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එක හරහා අපේ ඉඩ වෙන් කර ගන්න පුළුවන්. මම ඉස්සරහට කියලා දෙන්න. Right, next thing is cost. Even though initial cost is very high, not actually very high, even though initial cost is high, maintenance cost is really low. So if you think that you buy a pet, you have to spend, no? So you have to spend some money to maintain good healthy, maintain it healthy, as well as give it some medicine. Sometimes you have to give proper meal. So it is expensive. But if you buy a computer, so no need to spend such money for maintaining. Maintain කරන්න සල්ලි වේදම් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. pet කෙනෙක් ගත්තත් මීට වැඩිය වේදම් වෙනවා. Intelligence, it has intelligence. It can think and work, but cannot work alone. තනියෙන්ම තාම වැඩ කරන්න බෑ, but still it is intelligent. Okay, these are the features of computer, and one is missing. One very important feature is missing. So I would like, if one can tell that, I can add this to the slide. So one very important feature is missing here. What is that? Yes? Can you name? Hello? Hello?
Tired.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One very important feature is missing here. Can you tell? One very important feature is missing here.
Not tired.
Not getting tired.
Yeah, it is not getting tired.
Not getting tired.
Some of you are coming to the other class, so you can easily tell the answer. Okay. Anyway, so it's not getting tired. That is the very important point. It's not getting tired. It can work endlessly. Days, nights, it can even work continuously. So I have bought this computer 5 years ago. So, but I shut down this computer, I think less than 50 times. I shut down this computer less than 50 times. I bought this 5 years ago, but I have shut down less than 50 times. Think. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයාව නිදි කරලා තියෙන්නේ මම ෂට් ඩවුන් කරනවා කියන ඔයාලා නිදි කරනවා වගේනේ කම්පියුටර් එකක් ෂට් ඩවුන් කරනවා කියන්නේ. මෙයාට එහෙම නිදියන්න දීලා තියෙන්නේ දවස් 50ක් විතර. අවුරුදු 5ටම. Right? So still, but it works. Still it works without any complaint. Never telling me I'm tired now, I can't work. No, never telling that. It is working without getting tired. That's very important thing should be added here. Okay. So now we know what is computer and what kind of features are related to the computer. And actually today I wish to show you small video before we finish the class. So this is about future technologies. Right? This is about future technologies. I'm not sure whether we will be able to show this, but anyway, let me try. Okay, we will stop from here. Next week we will learn, and we have to finish the lesson number 1 next week. And week after next week, we can move to the lesson number 2. If this is too fast, kindly let me know. Then I can again slow down. But I think this is like this would be okay with most of you. But if not, kindly let me know. Your feedback is very important. Then only I can correct if there are mistakes with me. Then thank you very much. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Sir, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.